Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Today we will learn how to reset the computer to factory settings. I'll tell you one of the most easiest and safest way. So let's get started. So at the very bottom left hand side, you just have to type Windows. And the moment you type Windows, you will find Windows Update Settings. I'll just click on that. And at the left hand side, you will find Recovery. Now the moment you find Recovery, you will see Reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. So this will also let you choose to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. So I'll just click on Get Started, and here you get two options. First is Keep My Files and second is Remove Everything. So I'll tell you both the things. So I'll go with Keep My Files. The moment you click on that, it will prepare and it will give you two options. How you would like to reinstall Windows, cloud download or local install. So if you select cloud download, it will download all the necessary Windows 10 files from the cloud and then it will let you install. So I'll click on cloud download and I would recommend that as well. Now this will take probably 4 to 5 gigabytes of data, so you need to keep that in mind. So I'll just select this and current setting, restore apps and settings which came with this PC, download and reinstall. So it will restore apps settings which came with this PC. If you want to change this setting, you can simply click on change and then restore pre-installed apps or download Windows. So I'll not do anything here. I'll just click on confirm and I'll move to the next option. Plug in your PC. So since this computer is not plugged in with the battery, charger, so you need to plug in that charger and then you just need to click on next. It will restart several times and it will install a fresh copy of Windows. So I'll move to the next one, which is, I'll just click on this recovery again and get started, and here remove everything. Now when you click remove everything, again you just need to select cloud download, which will take 4 gigabytes of data. Now here remove apps and files, do not clean the drive. So you can also clean the drive and then download and reinstall Windows. So here it's do not clean the drive as mentioned. So if you want to remove the data and drive and create a new partition, then you can simply select yes, else you can let it no. So I would not make any changes. I'll just go with the settings and I'll click on next and make sure the charger is connected to the laptop if it's a laptop, and if it's a desktop it will not ask this. So once this is done, you just have to click on next and follow the online instruction. It's very easy and you just need to, it will automatically restart the computer. And if you have any confusion, any queries, let me know in the comment section. I will surely help. And please hit the like and subscribe for more useful videos. Have a wonderful day.